Energy and atmosphere, it weighed the most, 33 points in total. So means that we want to pay close attention to it if we want to gain the LEED certification for my building, right? So there are four pillars in total that we want to consider here. The first one is commissioning my building. For commissioning my building, I'm gonna need to take a look at the mechanical equipments. And for the mechanical equipments, heating, cooling, and air reference. So for the cooling, chillers, uh, cooling tower, uh, cooling pumps, heat exchanger for the heating process, the boilers, heat exchanger, heating pumps, and then we have the air handling units, the RTUs, fan coil units, and so on. Every type of equipment, and then for commissioning each type of equipment, I'm gonna need to take a look at every component. So we have dampers, outside damper, we have the heating valves, the cooling valve, the filters, supplier, fans, returning fans, and etc. Right? We have different components, and every component, what we're gonna need to do is to give a pass or a fail, and we're gonna do that by using the table provided by us. Right? I'm gonna tell you later on what is the table that we're gonna use. Okay, so this is for the commissioning. Second aspect that we want to check is the energy efficiency. I can claim that, all right, I'm going to put it in percentage, 0.5x a kilowatt hour per square meter in Miami. Compare against the amount of energy, which is X kilowatt hour per square meter in Ottawa, Ontario. I can't compare, right? Apples and pears. One building is located in Miami, the other one is located in Canada and Ontario, winter, summer. So, what I'm comparing? Also, I can compare even the same building, both buildings in New York, right? I can't do it if one is an educational building and the other one is a factory. Two different purpose. And even though both are a factory, so what type of factory, right? So I always want to compare against the same type of buildings and same time zone, and even as close as they can, right? So there is a baseline for it, and there is one that is widely used energy guide, but for it we want to take a look close and exactly what they are looking for. So that's for energy efficiency. Then we have the energy metering. If we want to claim that my building is saving energy, we want to demonstrate that that is happening. How we do that? uh, the lead, again, it is not asking them for automate the entire process. It is asking them for results. So I can have energy meters uh, all over my building. I can check at the enthalpies. I can check at the flows. I can check at the kilowatts, at the energy itself, and then I can provide the results monthly and yearly, and then demonstrate that it is happening what I'm claiming. Uh, Although always is better do everything with BAS system, right? And then finally, we want to pay attention and focus on refrigerant management. ODP and GWP, they haven't been nice with the human health and with the environment, right? So uh, those are aspects that we want to. Those are metrics, the word. Those are metrics that we want to pay attention, and we want to look closely if we want, first, not to damage the environment. That's the most important thing. And second, without compiling with that, we don't gonna be able to claim to gain the LEED certification for my development.